What's up people of the world? This is Big Steve, Pinoy Cowboy. Ang cowboy na mahilig mag-exercise pero tamad pumunta sa gym. Anyway, stand by guys. Unang exercise natin guys sa ating back is yung ating lat pull down. Alright, okay, isa sa mga famous na exercise ng back. Alright, let's get it on. Alright, lat pull down guys, do something like this. Alright, so you will going to do also this one 3 to 4 set, and of course repetition is up to 10 to 12 repetition guys, no? Alright, so ganyan guys, lat pull down sa ating resistance band. Alright, after that pwede nyong i-alternate guys. Okay, pwede isa lang muna, 1. Alright, so pwede nyo gawin yung alternate pagka patapos na yung inyong set. Just to bring in extra intensity sa ating lat pull down guys. Okay, that's the lat pull down. Okay. Yeah, make sure lang na hindi nagagalaw yung back nyo every time na nagpo-pull kayo, no? So para maramdaman nyo na nagwo-workout mismo talaga yung back. Alright? And of course, don't forget to take a rest for 30 seconds every set na matatapos nyo, no? Alright? Okay.